So we're here in Ushuaia. Look at the mountains, look at the boats, and look at the sign. Look at the beautiful, look at that, the mountains behind the houses and the apartment buildings. Look how beautiful that is. And right there in the distance, that's the Malvinas Memorial spot where all the people fought for the Malvinas, aka the Falklands. But this is where everybody lines up to take a picture of the big letters that say Ushuaia, Ushuaia. And here it is. And we're gonna be up there, and we're not gonna be any different. We're waiting our turn to take a picture with the letters, right, baby?
Yeah, sure. They're finishing.
Yeah, that's a whole elderly group. If you're elders and you want to be in a group, that's the group. Join that gang. Oh, I want to come check out this tree while we wait, though. Look at this. Wow, what the hell is this? This looks like one of those, you know, those little things that you put on rocks with the other things? I don't know what they're called. Little bows? I forget what they're called, but look at this. This looks like one giant mutated one. It's crazy, yeah? But look at the mountains, jeez. Ushuaia, Ushuaia, Ushuaia. Say hola.
All of them speak English.
Yeah, they all speak English, my people. See this? I like this right here. They give you plastic bags to pick up your doggy doo, see? Pick it up with your hand. There's your doggy doing. Pick it up with your hand, put it in a bag, put the bag in there. Simple. Keep the grass clean, people. That's one of the reasons why I hate grass. Dogs always shit on it. And I'm sick of it. And speaking of shit, there's a casino. Enzo, you want to go gamble your college funds at the casino tonight? Maybe you can go to Harvard with that. Or not go at all. Let's do it, baby. Oh, and look at this. As we're walking, look at this. In front of the casino, it's a sign. We got to gamble all your life savings, Enzo. There's a Croatian flag. How crazy is that? Look at this. And that's our home. Look at this.
Yes, our home.
Yeah, so this is Croatian Square. And like, look at this. Republika de This is Croatian Square. Republika de Croatia. Plaza. So look at, beautiful, huh? Croatia. Beautiful. Yeah, so finally the time comes. We're going to the Channel Beagle. Well, actually, we've been here the whole time, but now we're going on it. On a boat. We on a boat, bitch. And look how lovely the mountains and the clouds are, yeah?
Oh, when the sun come out,
Yeah.
when the sun comes out, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It changed everything.
Yeah, imagine if it was more sun here. It'd be crazy, yeah?
It would be great.
Let's go. Walk the plank.
Buenas tardes, me presento, mi nombre es Eva, voy a estar siendo la guía durante la navegación. Les presento también a nuestro capitán Lalo y a nuestro marinero.
So look at this. Cruising the Channel Beagle here. It's crazy, eh? Do you like it? It's nice, eh? It's nice. It's not even too cold out, huh?
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I love it.
Yeah. Do you think this is worth it so far? Yeah, for sure. All right, picture time. Damn, we're out here freezing. Look how nice it is, though. Eh? Just chilling. It's windy, it's cold. But we're on the Channel Beagle. And apparently we just got smashed with all the poop water. This is where everybody's poops in Ushuaia comes. So here it is. Look at it. Jeez. Those penguins, they don't look like penguins. They're like birds. See that thing? Look at all these guys, huh? All the seagulls and these things that look like penguins. What are they, huh? It's crazy. loves it. Look at him. He loves it out here. Hold on tight. And look at all the seaweed down here. Jeez, huh? But the views. Look at the views from here. Incredible, huh? Are you happy we came on that?
Yes, of course, I love it.
And everybody speaks English here, basically.
Exactly.
All the tour people in Ushuaia speak English, so you have no problem with that. This is one of the few places in Argentina. But it's beautiful here, huh?
Oh, look at this view.
I know, look at this.
It's amazing.
Incredible. And I think now we're going to that lighthouse, right?
Yes, we're going
And
to.
then we're gonna go walk on an island, and then we're gonna go eat some king crab. And that's it. So here are the South American sea lions, the island of the South American sea lions. Now these are not penguins, they're the same birds as before. But look at these bad boys, eh? Jeez. Look at that big boy. He's coming for us. And we're pulling up to the famous Ushuaia lighthouse. It's the end of the world lighthouse, but it's actually not the end of the world lighthouse.
Exactly, that's the real story about that.
Yeah, this author made a book called The Lighthouse at the End of the World, and it actually wasn't, right?
Exactly. Because he wrote the book, the lighthouse was built 15 years later.
Yeah, and he's talking about another one that's like 200 meters out into the ocean, actually. So it's not even here at all. And this is the lighthouse here. That's on the cover of the book. And there it is. Argentina. Yeah, what they're saying is that the lighthouse still functions, and the way it's colored dictates whether or not there's danger of shallow sea on the east or west of it, or the north or south. If it's red, white, and red, then the danger's on the east. If it's red, white, red, white, danger's on the west. So it's pretty crazy. I just took a tour around here, and it's still functioning to this day. And it's a beautiful, beautiful place. Look at this. Ushuaia is a must visit for sure, I think. It's incredible out here. Incredible. In the Next, we're going to this little island where the natives used to live. We're going to take a tour. Go ahead. No problem. We're going to take a tour of this little island. These guys actually used to wear, a family used to live there, and the family used to dress naked there. So the natives used to be naked on this island without clothes. Like, everybody lived in this harsh winter condition without clothes because they used to kill the sea lions and the whales and wear the whale blubber and the sea lion fat as clothes, and it'd keep them warm, an extra layer. But then they moved them to the mainland, and then they adapted to the clothes. They found out that that was a better style, so it's pretty crazy. And I don't know where it is here, but look at these guys, eh? It looks like a party boat. So now we're on this little island, uninhabited island, and you can see the little house here, but we got to follow this path so we don't ruin any of the fauna and floral stuff, because we got to keep it preserved, because that's what they said, right? Follow the rules, babies. Look at this little bay. guys, so we're walking up this sweet little spot here. And look at all the bushes, all the shrubs and stuff, huh? Look at this nice stuff. And the mountains behind there. We got the bay, the Channel Beagle that goes into the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. If you go far enough. And then you can go to the Drake Passage, then to Antarctica. It's crazy. Look at this. Man, it's awesome out here. Awesome on this little island. Yeah, so the lady said that these things have thousands of roots underneath, so you can't step on them because you'll break them and risk killing them. And they grow these fruits called calafate, and then they end up being like this, with a whole bunch of plants all over, shrubs. And these little red ones, I don't know if they shout at or something. And they said you can pick them and eat them. Kind of bitter, but it's pretty good. But yeah, you gotta watch out where you find step, because you can kill the vegetation here, and they want to preserve it. And it's amazing. Some of them are like thousands of years old, you know, so it's pretty crazy. Like, look at this. So we gotta follow the path, you know. Look at this, absolutely insane. Yeah, those ones are very bitter, and I don't know, those are pretty good actually. Damn. But the calafate flower, it grows big roots. Look at it. It's nice, huh? I'll show you. I mean, not big roots, big thorns, and they just pricked my damn leg. But it's nice. Like, look at this. Jeez, huh? So here we are exploring. Let's explore this, baby. So that's pretty cool. That big ball, it looks like moss, but it's not. I don't know, it's pretty cool. So me and Enzo, we're at the top almost. And Mickey, how do you like it up here?
I like it, but it's cold.
How do you like the berries?
I tried the charuca or something like that. That one was good, but I want to try the calafate one because
Yeah,
it's like
they
delicious.
Yeah, they said that is nice, and the other one was bitter, I found. Oh, Enzo's cold, but look how beautiful this is up here. Right?
Este es el Joe de Joe, este no es tu Joe, cambia que hubo por el asado. Este es el Joe de Joe. ¡Wow!